Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're tackling a question on many minds. Is Indian IPTV legal in the USA? Let's unravel this complex topic together. IPTV refers to Internet Protocol television, delivering content over the web rather than traditional methods. Many users crave access to global content, including popular Indian channels and shows. However, the legal standing of IPTV services is often murky and complex in the US. Let's get into the legal framework surrounding IPTV and its implications for users. IPTV can be legal if the service providers have proper licensing agreements in place. Services without licensing can lead users into legal trouble, putting a spotlight on responsibility. While watching international content seems tempting, staying aware of the risks is crucial. How can you ensure that you're choosing a reliable and legal IPTV service? Look for reputable providers with a strong track record and licensing agreements. Services like www.2tv.store ensure you enjoy your favorite content legally and safely. In case you encounter issues, familiarize yourself with the steps to resolve them. Always stay informed about changes in laws that could affect your streaming options. Remember, legality often boils down to the sources from which you access content online. If you're looking for Indian IPTV, consider services that prioritize legality and user protection. To stay safe and informed, subscribe to our channel and join the discussion below.